Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we're going to unbox something really special. All right, let's dive in and see what's inside. I picked this up from Best Buy and cost me $2.99 plus tax. Everybody bragging about it on Reddit and other groups, so I figured, you know what, I'm just going to give it a shot. And I decided to open this together with you guys. All right, let's start with the user manual. It's right at the beginning. The first thing is the user manual. And comes with the user manual. All right, what do we got here? Take your espresso to the next level. 2 requirements using single wool filters to make the most out of third wave specialty coffee. All right, there's a little quick start guide, kind of water to use, how to temp, good old stuff. We know about it. Importante, easy step-by-step 3D interactive setup. Basically tells you to download their app. And here's the Bambino instruction book. I think this is very valuable, you guys. I highly recommend read it cover to cover. I'm not going to do it right at this time. I get a little sample Breville descaler pouch of that. Thank you, Breville. And here's the famous Breville portafilter with pressurized dual wall cup. Top of it, I get a non-pressurized basket. Pretty cool. This looks like a single shot non-pressurized basket. If I'm wrong, please correct me at the comments. And here's a dual wall single shot basket. Perfect. Let's put these aside. And the most important thing, the famous Breville temper. This is so cute, you guys. Old plastic. Of course, I'm not going to use it unless I'm in the middle of nowhere and I don't have any tamper or something. All right, let's flip this baby over. Go to the rest of the box. Come on, Breville. There we go. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Here she comes. You know, I like the packaging. Pretty cool. Pretty safe. Best Buy did a good job maintaining these boxes. Some of the big box stores, you buy the stuff and boxes all smashed and things. I never buy those. I tell them, give me another one or I'm not buying it. All right. Here's the also famous pitcher. Comes with Breville machines, which is awesome. I love it. Very nice, thick metal pitcher. And here's the main event. Star of the show, the Bambino. Now, if you guys are going to ask me why, you're thinking, why did this guy go with this instead of the Bambino Plus? Main reason, I didn't want to spend, right now it's on sale. It's $3.99 everywhere. And I think it's a sign of something coming, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. But I think they have a new version of Bambino Plus coming. The second reason I didn't want it, because I want it somewhat manual. I don't want to have milk frothing feature and all that. I want to learn that myself in a machine like this. Plus, it's a perfect machine for my office environment. I mean, the size and everything. I don't need to worry about solenoid valves, keep dumping water in here and keep dumping that over, blah, blah, blah. This is just right for what I need. And plus, I watched a couple of YouTube videos. Everybody recommends standard, regular Bambino over Bambino Plus, unless you don't want to bother learning how to make a perfect microfoam for your cappuccinos and whatnot, or lattes. So for my purpose, this is perfect, you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this, remove these tapes. This machine looks much, much better than I thought it will be. I don't think pictures do the justice to this. This is I want to say in 3 months, this is the 4th machine I bought. First one was a Thunder Black Gadget Classic Evo Pro. As we all know, thanks to Boilergate, I ended up returning that back to whole lots of love. And they were great about it. They totally tried to help me, but I totally refused it. I didn't want any aluminum boilers and, makeshift solutions and this and that. So I didn't want to live with that stress of, oh my God, when am I going to get flakes in my machine again? And so I decided to go with this guy. And then I went ahead. I was in Sam's Club. I picked up a DeLonghi machine. It was like $47. It was on sale, down from $120, ECP 3220. It was great and everything. I even bought tons of accessories on 51 millimeter for that, which I'm going to go ahead and sell them on Marketplace or something. But anyway, at the meantime, I found this older Gadget, baby Gadget, and I fixed that up, and somebody offered me really good money for it. I just couldn't turn it down. I sold that thing. And then luckily I kept the DeLonghi. I was keep making espressos and stuff with my DeLonghi at my office. But finally I gave up. I decided to go for a little better machine, larger portafilter, and because I want to keep this machine as long as it lasts. And based on the reviews and everything, Breville is a pretty good machine, at least 3 to 5 years at least. I know some people probably think these are appliances. I don't care, appliance machine. I'm not starting a coffee shop. Just want to have a good coffee. That's all I care for. Maybe if I'm buying a home machine, I buy something high end. But right now, I don't see a reason to spend anything more than 3 digits on an espresso machine. It's just my choice, you guys. Please, if you've done it, I'm not judging you. Kudos to you, but at this time, I don't see the reason to spend that kind of money on the espresso machine. Anyway, so this is the unboxing of a beautiful Breville Bambino. So far, I'm very, very impressed. And I'll share with you my experiences with my first shot of espresso and all the good stuff. I already ordered a really nice bottomless portafilter, as well as a basket, a couple other like a Normcore gravity leveler and stuff like that. I have that for my DeLonghi as well in 51 millimeter. I absolutely love it. This thing is amazing. I don't think I can even use a regular leveler anymore. I'm so used to using that thing. Anyway, this is the machine, and thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll bring in as much as I can. The new stuff I buy, I'll share it with you guys here in this channel. I'm not trying to impress anyone with the light setups and video quality, this and that. As I go, I learn. I'm not a professional videographer or a photographer or whatever, so I'm learning as I go, and I'm sharing my videos with the people I care. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day. And this is Breville Bambino. Thank you.